Hey, what's up, guys? This is Black Feather Snipes back at it with another video. I just want to go over another one that I'm going to be getting into for my $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. So today's the coin of the day is Wojak, and I actually just know this because it's just a meme coin, and I know it because my brother's posting like my group chat a lot, just like a lot of other meme coins like Bonk, and that's actually why I'm interested in it. Because as you can see, if you look at the month, you can see Bonk is up 661%. So even though it's a meme coin, it has still a pretty good chance of going up right now. So right now, if you look at the technicals on it, it's getting some momentum. It's ranked 776. The market cap is pretty low, 10 million. Got a lot of 24-hour volume, 2 million. And as you can see, for the month, it's up. For the week, it's up 19%. The day, it's up 3%. And for the hour, it's down 1%. So, like I said, green, green, green. I don't really look at the hourly too much unless like it's a really big number. But this is, I look, it's more cadence on the month, week, and then the day, because obviously those are higher time frames. So that was looking good. And then when I went over uh, to Trading View, or actually Coin Codex, I did the price prediction. They didn't see it doing nothing, just having traded in this channel. Um, but when you look at all of the uh, averages, like they're all signaling buy. Like EMA's simple moving average, all you see is buy, 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 buy. Even down here, the weekly, on the weekly, this is the daily. The weekly is signaling buy. And then, here are the oscillators, buy, sell, neutral, a lot of neutral, buy, sell. Um, they even give you some of the resistance levels on it. So if you don't want to chart support and resistance yourself, you can come here and look at it. But I mean, I know how to chart it, so I don't really use theirs. Um, but I mean, that's just another tool you could use. So once you come here, um, when I went to go to my trading view, you can see the MACD is getting ready to cross. So from November 4th, so pretty much this whole month, even though you can see it's been going up and down, the MACD was under, so it was negative. And this blue line never crossed this orange line. So you can see it had negative momentum with it. And as you can see, all these candles from that day, red, solid red to light red. And as you can see, it's getting ready to cross right here. And the RSI is, in the mid range, 57. Um, so that's why I got in. And that's what I like to see, the last few days, green, 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 green. So that's why I like it, short term momentum. And then it's getting ready to cross. So that's why this little span, uh, from these last 4 days, these last four greens are different from this span, because from these three greens where you see it pumped all the way up to this level right here, I'll draw a line. Um, so uh, from right here, so this little pump from here to here, uh, you wouldn't have got in because as you can see, the MACD is under. So even though it's pumping right here, I'm staying out of it. Because it's under the MACD. So now that it's pumping and the MACD is getting ready to cross, now I'm going to be in it. So I got in today, uh, looking forward, anticipating the move. And as you can see from this horizontal line, it's getting ready to cross the MACD. 4 days of green candles because this is the daily chart. And then it's going to be this resistance level right here. It has, pretty high resistance right here. So once you get a close above this candle, the next target would be obviously up here. And then after that, you don't really have any real resistance if you just zoom out on this chart to probably all the way. This is a pivot point right here. And then, here's another pivot point. So, and a pivot point is just where, it took a sharp turn. in trading. So you can see green candle, then nothing but red, green candle, then nothing but red, green candle, then nothing but red. So that's a pivot point. Um, so like I said, and if you just run the price range on, from where I bought it, from like the top of this channel, that would be 100% gain already. And if it still has momentum going up, there's no traffic from this level all the way up to the next pivot point, which would be here and then ultimately here. So that's what I like to see, that if it does get momentum, make it past that level, that's how you get the 1,000% trades, because I'm going to be holding it if it closes above this last little resistance level, because then it's going to want to jump to this next level and fill that gap. So if you just do that from there, that's another. Then you look up, you're up 260%. And if we're still bullish, then it's going to go to that next level, and then you look up, you're up 460%. And that's how I was up on some of those other plays that I mentioned earlier, on VRA 75%, Bob 100%, Starlink, that was up 1,700% at the close, and it wicked up 3,700%. So that's how that's the type of play you want to be in, where you give yourself a lot of opportunity, and you just want the check down of logic. So you see how that big of a jump is pretty easy for it to make, because one, it was already there before, so it can happen again. Two is getting momentum, so the MACD is crossing at a resistance level. And then three, the market cap is only 10 million. So this is, 460%. So that's, 4.6 times, 10 million for the market cap. So that means the market cap would probably be at, 50 million, if that was to happen, which is incredibly logical given crypto and, bonk being at 250 million market cap just off of the past month. So like I said, it closes above this level, then you're going into price appreciation, and then that's when you want to trade the fibs, to see where it can go, and what your levels are going to be from there. But yeah, I just got into Wojak today. I think this is going to be a very good play. But, a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know plays that I'm getting into and what I'm trying to do with my challenge. Just to show you guys, this is for educational purposes, to help you learn how to, chart things, or get strategies. But this is, that's just another disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, this is something I'm looking into. I think it has real potential. But yeah, let me guys know what you think. Give me a comment, subscribe, click that bell for notifications, because I'm going to be coming out with content, pretty much every day. So let me know what you guys think. But yes, I'll get back at you later. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.